heck? What you doing?
Opening door, Megaman X. I'm going to kill you and going to bite you. Opening door now.
Get out of here, Kitty Nguyen, you looking werewolf with red eyes. I'm grabbing something baseball bat.
Oh no, he's right doing the baseball bat. I gotta hide in this new car. I'm going to hide in there.
What the heck? Where'd you go? Oh, he's right to it on the hind of the car. Okay.
Gotcha, Megaman. I'm going to bite you in the blood. I'm gonna kill you.
What are you doing? Get out of here! I'm going to hit your baseball bat! Get out of here!
Yikes! Oh, Kitty Nguyen, I'm so very sorry. I just keep on wasting too getting to hit my baseball bat. Hang on, Kitty Nguyen, I'm going to home. But that's okay, Kitty. I'm going to sleep on the couch. Don't cry, Kitty. I'm going to home. Relax, Kitty. I'm going to home.